Hello friends, welcome to Healthy Bridge Bites. Let's cook and bake. Today we'll be seeing Millet Vada. This is so easy and simple to make. So here I have taken 1 cup of foxtail millet and 1 cup of chana dal. Soak the foxtail millet for minimum of 6 hours and the chana dal for minimum of 4 hours. Into a mixie jar, add half amount of the chana dal and blend it into a smooth paste. It shouldn't be very smooth but a coarse smooth paste. Do not add any water as the vadas will absorb more oil. I switched to smaller jar as something went wrong with the bigger jar. So you can see it's smooth but at the same time it's coarse. Transfer it into a bowl. Let's grind the remaining chana dal. You just have to grind it for few seconds. It should be coarse. You can see the difference. So in the same mixie jar we'll add our foxtail millet and grind it into a smooth paste. You can see it looks like almond butter or peanut butter. We'll transfer it into the bowl and mix it well. If you feel it's too watery, you can add 2 to 3 tablespoons of gram flour or any millet flour. Here I am adding 2 tablespoons of gram flour or besan. Mix well and allow it to rest for 10 to 15 minutes. You can see it has absorbed the extra moisture. Add 1.5 teaspoon of salt or to taste. 1 teaspoon of fennel seed or saunf. Here I have taken 1 medium sized finely chopped onions and finely chopped coriander leaves, green chili and some mint leaves. Mix them well. Add onions and salt when you are ready to fry. Otherwise the onion will start leaving its moisture. Divide into equal parts. Heat the oil and add the vadas. Flatten the vadas. If you wish, you can even make a small hole in between. If you want softer vadas, you can just flatten it and add to the oil. If you need crispy vadas, you can make a hole in between, and as millets take time to cook, fry them at a lower medium flame. You can see it's so quick and easy with only few ingredients. And your healthy snack is ready. Enjoy your millet vadas with hot cup of tea. Thank you for watching. If you liked my video, don't forget to subscribe, share and comment below if you have any queries. Thank you.